In front of me here today, we're going to be looking at a 2007 Puma. It's the 25 RS floor plan. It is a tandem axle, no slide out travel trailer, and it is in pretty good condition here with lots of extra upgrades from the previous owners. Starting here at the very front with some standard features, you're going to have a manual tongue jack as well as manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. You have two covered 30-pound propane tanks, so plenty of propane to work with. You've got this diamond plating to protect the rest of the trailer while you're driving and stones may fly up. You're going to have this pass-through storage area. You'll see on the other side that you actually are going to get a kit here with it with your anti-sway bars. So that's another little upgrade you're going to get from the previous owners. And you'll see on this side it is dual entries. You're going to have access to your main kind of living area in the rear and access to your master bedroom up here in the nose. You've got your awning here on the exterior as well. And walking over to the side, more access to your pass-through storage area. Overall, decals are surprisingly in all right condition. These ones are bubbling a little bit here, but the outside of the trailer is looking great overall as well. You've got your auxiliary shower and another storage compartment back here. You've got your bumper with your spare tire, a spot for your sewer hose, those manual stabilizers right on the rear corners, and one of the biggest selling features of this Puma are these massive windows. You've got great blinds on the interior to fully block out this light, pretty much 100% block out, but if you can open that up and let all that natural light in or enjoy the campground around you once you're parked and ready to go. I mentioned upgrades from previous owners. This is going to be one of the big bonuses. You have a full-length RV cover, so that's going to cover up this RV and keep it protected when you're not using it throughout the season. Using this first entry into the living area, you're going to see you have plenty of room here to bring the whole family. It's a great floor plan. If it's just a couple, then pretty much feel like you're living in a house. You've got a bedroom and a washroom, big, nice, large kitchen area. But if you are bringing the whole family along, you're going to have flexibility with convertible sleeping spots. The first one being this couch. You've got perfect spot to sit down here with the family. You can enjoy those views all around. Got those windows there. This is going to be those block out blinds I was talking about. But when it does come down to the end of the night, you need an extra spot to sleep. This couch will jackknife out into an extra bed. Storage won't be an issue in a trailer like this. You've got plenty of room for all of your belongings. Storage up above, you're going to notice you have speakers as well as ducted air. Over to the side, you've got your kitchen. So you've got this split sink combo, great combination we like to see here in RVs. Once you have a split sink, it's hard to go back to just a single sink. It's 2-in-1. You can have a small little area to soak some cutlery. You can still prep veggies in this side. Having that split sink combo just gives you that flexibility to use the kitchen at your own leisure. You've got a 3-burner stovetop as well as a traditional microwave up above. You're going to have your campfire going outside, of course, but you also have an oven down there too. So no excuses for bad meals. You got everything you need to cook with all in an arm's length away here in the kitchen. Once you have that meal made, this is going to be your main eating spot. If you're not eating outside at the picnic table, you're going to have your dinette. You've got your table here to play card games, have your coffee, storage up above, and same story as the couch. It's a great spot to sit down and relax, but once the night comes, this table will drop down, these cushions will come over. Now that's going to be an extra sleeping alcove, perfect if you got kids, grandkids, dogs coming along with you. You're going to have that convertible sleeping spot. And if you don't have all those extra guests and you're just a couple, you've got your master bedroom, a dinette that never needs to be set up or taken down, and a couch to sit at and relax right at the door if you've had a long day out in the sun. You've got storage compartments underneath either one of these dinettes and ample storage in the kitchen. Whether it's extra pots and pans, spices, blankets, jackets, anything you want to bring camping with you, you're going to have plenty of room in this Puma. Blended nicely here into the wall, you're going to have your gas electric fridge for your combo. Remembering you have those two 30-pound propane tanks, so plenty of gas to keep all of your food cold. You've got the storage compartment wardrobe here. You can properly hang up your clothes and not feel like you're living out of a suitcase. And underneath, just as many storage options. It's nice that they give you this storage just outside the bedroom, so it's still accessible, but it's not going to eat up all of that room, giving you plenty of room to walk around on either side of the bed. something you don't often get to do in a lot of RVs. It's a thing that you really feel like you're away from home when you can't walk over and get into your bed. Both sides you're going to have storage compartments, more wardrobe storage. You've got a table right beside you with a 110 volt receptacle, perfect for plugging in CPAP machines, alarm clocks, portable devices. Extra storage compartments here too, where you can pull this out, as well as more tabletop surface. You've got the bed, storage up above, a skylight. That's going to be your private entrance into this room. And you do have some more storage underneath here as well, separate from your pass-through storage area. I've said it a couple of times now with this trailer, but storage will not be something you have to worry about in this Puma. You've got this pocket-style door here that you can just break this clasp on and slide over if you need some privacy, if you are going to have those kids and grandkids along. And believe it or not, you get a washroom in here too with an actual tub. Another thing you don't see in a ton of RVs, so perfect if you're having some extra guests along, you like to soak your feet, you do have those kids or grandkids that need a bath. You're going to have a tub and not just a shower in this RV. You've got your full wraparound shower surround with built-in shelves, beautiful skylight up above, and more storage with this medicine cabinet, sink, and toilet. If you are looking for a used RV that gives you that flexibility of being just a couple with plenty of room, but you want to have the kids or grandkids or friends tag along with you every once in a while, this could be the perfect unit for you. They do tend to go faster, so if you want to see everything else this trailer has to offer, come on down and check it out at Longhaul Trailers in Listowel.